The Brentwood College Academic Building is kind of a mixed structural steel and mass timber project for a learning center at Brentwood College. With steel on this project, we were able to do most of the design, fabrication off-site, which allowed for a much quicker install, allowed a much more custom, unique design to come to life.
The selection of the materials here were done in a really thoughtful and successful way. So when you look at the building, you see 2 stories of glass, but there's a whole floor underneath it. It's one of those buildings that you kind of go in and then it kind of grows. The main atrium was all structural steel, heavy girders to span those 20+ meter spans. It really gave us a structural system that fitted within the depth of the building that we needed. I think the architects created what I like to think is a friendly and inviting building, and I just hope people use it and have a smile on their faces when they go to work and go to be educated.
My hopes is that a building such as this might help, first of all, give the students in the building a nice open area to learn, feel comfortable, and perhaps get inspired by some of the architecture inside the building.
This is a brand new Steveston Community Center located in Richmond. It is to serve a central hub for the community to create community connection. It included a fitness center, new library, and a new gym as well.
The building shape requires roof overhangs and long cantilevers, and it's pretty dramatic. So to achieve the dramatic roof overhangs, steel would be the best solution, or I guess best material to achieve those.
With the attractiveness of the building and the way that steel has allowed it to be formed in such, again, the roofs, the open areas, I think this building has a huge potential for a long life, not to mention the seismic design that's gone into it.
In order for mass timber to be installed efficiently and to achieve schedule, everything needs to be very precise and within tight tolerances. This project is going to be the heartbeat of the community in Steveston. And personally, I'm very proud of this project because it's a project in a space that I can bring my family and kids to and be proud of what was created.
It's a brand new recreation facility on campus at the University of British Columbia. Given the various program elements and the somewhat complex site, steel was most appropriate. Where we're standing right now is a cantilever of the track hanging off of basically the gym structure, and that wouldn't have really been possible with any other construction material.
As a structural steel supplier and installer, we worked closely with the general contractor, Etro Construction, as well as Shape Architecture. Shape really came up with the design and did an amazing job of fitting such an amazing building in such a small space.
So we wanted to make sure the spaces were very open. 2-court basketball areas, the running track like we have here. It's about 3 to 4 meters wide. Obviously partnering with a trade like AI, who's well known in the local industry here. They have a lot of good access to steel and getting it here on time when we need it, and that was key.
I think one of the key design elements of this project was the main atrium space, and one key element of that space is the feature stair, also made of steel and really wouldn't have been possible in any other material, and just kind of an impressive sculptural element within that space.
I don't know if you can hear it, but there's people playing basketball right now. There's probably 100 people in the gym working out. There's people using the running track, and it's really nice to see a facility that we were able to work on is being so well used by the students and so well received by the community here at UBC.